Hey guys, thanks for tuning to the channel. Don't forget to click like and subscribe so you get all the updates. Thanks again. Alright, we are here with the Great Plains Giant Supersportster 160. They don't make these anymore and I'm sad about that, but they fly excellent. It's a big old baby. This one is powered by a DLE 30 and I love flying this airplane and I'm sad that they don't make this anymore. We'll walk up to the flight line here. It's a super easy Sunday flyer. If you want something easy to fly with no stress, this is it. Taking off from left to right. Away we go. Just a super easy flyer. No stress. It flies very smooth, super stable. If you can find one of these, get it. I wish I could find one, I'd probably get another one. But they fly really good. And this is the Great Plains Giant Supersportster. I believe it has an 80-inch wingspan, I believe. We'll do a nice low flyby here. It's just super stable. That's a half throttle, so the DLE 30 powers it plenty. And this airplane I've had, golly, what, an OS 160 FX two-stroke in there. I've had a 120 four-stroke in it, and it just wasn't what I wanted. And so far, the DLE 30 seems to be the sweet spot. So we'll come in nice and low and slow. I just love these airplanes. And you can see it, that's another thing. And it moves out, it's got plenty of power. I'll do about 2 or 3 more laps and then we'll give that cameraman a rest before his arms give out. I've probably got about 400 flights on this airplane. Probably one of the oldest airplanes that I have in the fleet. And I plan on keeping it until I can't keep it anymore. Until I hit the expiration date. I'm going to bring it towards you and then do a turn away there. And it shows a really good, that red and white. A little gurgly there. It's still it's fairly new, so I'm still breaking it in. But it flies it really well, and it lands really easy. Super easy airplane to fly, no stress, great for beginners. Actually a first gas beginner airplane it would probably be good for. So we're setting up for the landing, keeping the power on. Just, I didn't like what I saw. We'll go around again. So we'll keep it low. So down at the bottom of our field, we have a little dip down there, a ball, and you get updrafts, and it does some weird things to the airplanes when you're landing, so you gotta be aware of that. So we'll see if we can come over top most of that turbulence there. There we go. Come over top. And there we go. There we go. I'll take it. And that is the Great Plains Giant Supersportster. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want. Give it a thumbs up, and it'll help the channel out. Thanks.